Did you know that your garden's success depends heavily on how you utilize the light in your yard? Especially when it comes to full sun gardens, understanding and making the most of your yard's light can result in a thriving, vibrant garden. Today, we delve into the process of harnessing your yard's light for full sun gardens. Let's dive into the world of full sun perennials. These are plants that not only love soaking up the sun, but also come back year after year, adding long-lasting beauty to your garden. Examples of these sun-loving stalwarts include coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and daylilies. These plants are not just sun worshippers, but also hardy performers. They add a splash of color and variety to your garden, making it a visual delight. Plus, their ability to return each year makes them cost-effective and low-maintenance. That's the magic of full sun perennials. They add charm, color, and longevity to your full sun garden. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into understanding light conditions in the next segment. Now let's explore the world of full sun annuals. These are plants that complete their life cycle in 1 year, from germination to seed production, and then die. Examples of these sun-loving marvels include marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers. Known for their vibrant colors and ability to bask in the glory of the sun, these plants add a pop of color and a dose of cheer to your garden. If your garden is bathed in sunlight for most of the day, these full sun annuals could be your go-to choice. They not only add a vibrant splash to your garden, but also thrive under the sun's rays. Stay tuned as we delve into understanding light conditions in the next segment. Step 1 in this process is understanding your garden's light conditions. This is an essential part of selecting the right plants for your garden. Every plant has its own specific requirement, and placing them in the correct light conditions can significantly boost their growth and overall health. Let's take a moment to talk about full sun annuals, marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers. These plants are sun worshippers, thriving in locations where they receive full sunlight. So if your garden is blessed with abundant sunlight, these plants might just be the perfect fit. They're a great example of how understanding your garden's light conditions can help you select the right plants and help them bloom to their full potential. The next step is to determine the sunlight levels in different areas of your garden. You can do this by using sun mapping techniques. This involves drawing maps or taking photos of your garden at different times throughout the day. Doing so will give you a clear picture of how the sun moves across your yard and where the sunniest spots are. It's important to understand the different categories of light: full sun, part shade, and full shade. Each category is suitable for specific types of plants. Full sun plants, for instance, require 6 or more hours of direct sunlight each day. By paying close attention to sun and shade mapping, you can strategically place your plants to optimize their growth. For instance, placing full sun plants like roses or tomatoes in the sunniest spots of your garden will help them thrive. In summary, the key to a successful full sun garden lies in understanding your garden's light conditions. Start by determining the sunlight levels in your garden, then match your plants to these conditions based on their light requirements. By doing so, you can create a thriving garden that makes the most out of your yard's light. Remember, a garden bathed in sunlight is not just a place of beauty, but a sanctuary of growth, color, and life. By harnessing the power of the sun, you can transform your outdoor space into a flourishing garden that brings joy and beauty into your life. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the types of plants that can make your full sun garden truly spectacular. Bulbs, rhizomes, and tubers are unique types of plants that store their nutrients underground in a bulb or tuber. Examples of these include popular choices like tulips, irises, and dahlias. These plants are not only perfect for full sun gardens due to their hardy nature and light requirements, but they also add a variety of shapes, colors, and textures to your garden. Planting these can provide an exciting dimension to your garden, offering a burst of color and life that can turn your full sun garden into a dazzling display. So consider bulbs, rhizomes, and tubers when planning your garden. They might just be the missing piece in your sun-drenched sanctuary. In this video, we've journeyed through the importance of harnessing sunlight for your garden, explored the vibrant world of full sun perennials and annuals, and learned about the nuances of light conditions. We've also mastered sun mapping techniques, discovered the strategic placement of plants, and understood how bulbs, rhizomes, and tubers can add a touch of diversity to your sun-kissed garden. As we wrap up, let's discuss some practical tips to keep your sun garden thriving. Remember, watering in the morning gives your plants a good supply of water to face the hot day ahead. Also, consider using mulch to help retain moisture and control weeds. And don't forget to deadhead spent flowers to encourage new growth. Lastly, while your sun-loving plants thrive in light, they also need well-drained soil, so ensure that your garden soil is neither too sandy nor too clayey. By understanding and optimizing your garden's light conditions, and with a little love and care, you can create a sun-drenched sanctuary that not only brings you joy, but also becomes a haven for pollinators. Happy gardening!